In this tutorial I will show you how to clear browsing history on Samsung. If you want to clear your browsing history on a Samsung device, follow these steps. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Samsung device. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots icon to open a menu. In the menu, tap on History. This will show you your browsing history. Next, tap on the back arrow to return to the previous page. From there, tap on Delete Browsing Data. You will now see several options for what you can delete. Tap on the downward arrow icon next to the time range option to choose a time frame for the data you want to clear. A few options will appear, such as last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and so on. Choose the time range that works best for you. If you want to delete more than just your browsing history, tap on More Options and select additional data to delete, such as cached images and files, cookies, and site data. Finally, tap on the Delete Data button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the data. Tap on Delete to confirm. And that's it.